Remedies for whitening teeth. Today, my health related topic is whitening teeth. A report says that US citizens spend more than $1 billion on tooth cavity treatment and teeth whitening products every year. These products might be able to whiten your teeth, but be careful with at-home whitening products to avoid damaging your teeth and removing your enamel. This could put you at risk for sensitivity and cavities. Teeth can appear yellow for various reasons, so I tell some causes teeth to turn yellow. Certain foods and drinks such as blueberry, coffee, wine or tea. Smoking. A diet high in sugar and simple carbohydrates. Chewing tobacco. Genetics. Side effects certain medication. Some mouthwashes. Age as older are more likely to have yellow teeth. Poor oral hygiene or oral care, chronic dry mouth or lack of saliva. However, be cautious because you can damage your enamel or gum, which can lead to sensitivity and cavity. So, I have many remedies. You can try this and turn your yellow teeth into bright white. Brush your teeth regularly. Brushing your teeth daily is the most important thing to do to keep your teeth shining bright. If you have not brushing regularly, be sure to start doing it right now. If you have been brushing your teeth daily and your teeth still turn out to be yellowish, try brushing more often, especially after having a meal. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional remedy meant to improve oral hygiene and remove toxin from the body. Coconut oil is a popular choice because it has a pleasant taste and offers many teeth benefits. Coconut is also high in lauric acid, which is known for its antimicrobial properties. However, oil pulling is said to remove plaque and bacteria from the mouth, which help to whiten teeth. Brush with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. Baking soda has teeth whitening properties. It's help in rubbing off stain from the tooth surface due to its mildly abrasive nature. Hydrogen peroxide, on the other hand, is a natural bleaching agent. It also helps in killing bacteria. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Make a paste. Use this paste to brush your teeth regularly. Activated charcoal. You can use activated charcoal to remove stain from your teeth. It's believed that charcoal can remove pigment and stain from your teeth because it's highly absorbent. It's said to also get rid of bacteria and toxin in the mouth. Eating fruits and veggies with high water content. It's said that eating raw fruits and veggies with a high water content can help to keep your teeth healthy. The water content is thought to clean your teeth and gum of plaques and bacteria that lead to yellow teeth.